A chilling phenomenon feared for centuries might have started with nothing more than a simple misunderstanding. For centuries, poltergeists, noisy, mischievous spirits, have been blamed for objects moving on their own, strange knocking sounds, and unexplained chaos in homes. Thing is, the earliest recorded poltergeist cases weren't necessarily supernatural at all. One of the most famous early cases dates back to Germany in the 16th century, when a household claimed to be tormented by an invisible force throwing stones and causing disturbances. However, historical records suggest that in many early cases, supposed poltergeist activity often had more mundane explanations: hoaxes, pranks, or natural causes like underground seismic activity. But the idea of an unseen chaotic force stuck. By the 19th and 20th centuries, spiritualists fully embraced poltergeists as evidence of ghosts interacting with the physical world. Even psychologists weighed in, suggesting that poltergeist activity could be linked to psychokinesis, the ability to move objects with the mind, especially among teenagers under emotional distress. Then came Hollywood. The 1982 film Poltergeist cemented the idea that these entities were terrifying supernatural beings, fueling a legend that has only grown stronger. What started as unexplained noises centuries ago became one of the most famous ghostly legends, thanks to a mix of misinterpretations, pop culture, and a little human imagination.